Let me show you how to adjust the speed of a video in Capcut. So to get started, let's head over to our Capcut. And then of course, make sure you're signed into your Capcut account. And this is the part where we have to import our project. So we click on new project. Let's use this one for example. Documents or information. Click on add. And here it is. So this is the video we are going to be working with. Now to work on your videos, look at this down place that says edit, audio, text, overlay, effects, captions, all those things. This place is for increasing the speed of a video. Okay, so let's take an example here. We split from here to here. We want this place to be faster than it is by default. So instead of talking this way, let's increase the speed of this particular segment. Click on speed, click on normal, and move it to 2. Let's say you want it to be faster, like too much fast. Now let's play this video. You see how fast it is? You want it to be faster again, you click there, drag it to anywhere you want to drag it to. Then if you want it to be slow, click on speed again, normal, and drag it back to 0 point whatever. Always make sure you check this place that's like good. Then see how slow the video is. Start if you want the slow motion effects. So anything has to do with slow motion, fast motion, or whatever, always come to speed and click on normal. Now if you want it to go back to how it was before, click on this same normal and drag it back to 1. And then of course check it and the video is back to how it was. If you're using the desktop version, you can install Capcut on your laptop and edit your video. It's just the same thing. If you're not yet subscribed, please subscribe and turn on post notifications so that you will always get notified whenever I make new videos. I'll see you when I see you.